Hi everyone, this is James. Welcome to check our laser welding machines video. Right now we are looking at the machine running at the customer's factory. This is MFW F1-2 for laser saw blade diameter 180 to 1200 mm, up to 1800 mm, with 3 kilowatts fiber laser and a water chiller. The machine has the auto loading station with trolleys, auto takes the blank and auto feeding the segment, auto welding and auto unloading the finished saw blade. The whole process is fully automatic. What you need to do is turn on the machine, put the blank on the trolley and the segment on the belt, set the parameter in the system, and start the auto running. High quality laser welding saw blade will be produced. Very good performance. If you see more our machine's videos, you may see different colors for our laser welding machine. Do not curious about it. The machine's color is painted as the customer's requirements. If you want any color, just let us know. If you want more information, please check our website or call us directly. Thank you.